Ladies and gentlemen, exciting day today. We have ourselves a couple different products by Ekster, but this is their newest aluminum brushed black minimalistic wallet right here. Now, if you already watched my last video that I have on the channel, I goofed up, I forgot to strap cash into it, so I'm gonna do a do-over. We're gonna show you what cash looks like with it and show you some key features. This right here is their solar paneled GPS tracker card, super thin. As you can see here, you're like, Chris, what in the world is this? This is my monstrous Louis Vuitton wallet. I didn't pay for it, but I love it, but it's huge. Like, it's massive. So this one right here, I'm making this video right now because I'm actually gonna present this to my brother for his birthday as one of his presents. I already have another Ekster that I will be going out to dinner for his birthday tonight and not taking this with me. I will be using my Ekster. Before we do unbox this, your links for these products are gonna be right below in the description box of the video. Hit those links, check it out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this out. You're like, Chris, why would you give your brother a unwrapped gift? That's how we roll. In the family, we give each other beautiful presents that might be new, might not be new. Anyway, we got a little very subtle Ekster logo on the front, but you didn't come here for logos. Chris, how does it work? Show me the good stuff. Wow. Okay, that is pretty cool, that brushed. We're gonna get some better light on that. Okay, so I thought it was gonna be similar to my matte black one, but that brushed aluminum black is okay, that's much sicker than my matte black one for sure. So, let's get it out of here. Now, hopefully he doesn't see this video because I might do a little switcheroonie on him and keep them brushed and give him the matte. We'll see. It's his birthday. Okay, number one, this new band right here is like sweat-proof, like silicone, where this one is more of a nylon right here. They both have the Ekster logo right on top, but look at how sharp that looks. I mean, look at, okay, so in the aluminum right there, the brushed, I mean, don't get me wrong, the matte black is super sick, but I like what they've done to this band right here. Still has a little bit of give to it, but let me show you this one here. This one has a lot of give to it here. They both have the removable little extra pack here in the back, as you can see. So let's go ahead and show you this here. So now the only thing that I can see with this one is this one doesn't have as much give, but it might keep your money a little tighter in there. So let's go ahead and remove that one. Obviously, this is the first time I'm removing it, but that is not as flexible like I just mentioned, the band all the way around. All right, now let's go ahead and take a better look here. Beautiful coloring. Sorry for the shadows coming through the light, but you can see the brushed aluminum there compared to just a matte black there. Super sick. We have our push button right here as it releases all of our little cards that they just stick in there. All your QR codes, story, user manual, etc. We value your feedback. Okay, so this is the expansion plate, and this is just gunmetal gray. Probably aluminum as well, but it doesn't have the lines in it like this, if you are wondering right here. And then that's where your band obviously goes right there. Okay, so very nice. Boom, boom. So if you guys are big into like new cards, like crypto.com card, so what I'll do is I'll pay for the meal and I'll be like, shabam! Here's my 2% back crypto.com card. And then the waiter's gonna be like, dude, you're into crypto? And I'm like, dude, he's like, what is that? And I'm like, that's the Ekster. And he's like, that's pretty sweet. And I'm gonna be like, I agree with you. Anyway, let's put some actual cards in there, put some money in there, and see what we got going on. Oh, before I do that, next question is change. You're like, Chris, can you do change? No, you can't do coins. I mean, you could really smash like a silver dollar, something like that behind that, but you wouldn't wanna do change. This is for cards and cash only with the expansion. Because I don't carry cash, when I go out to a wedding or dinner, I typically don't use the expansion band or plate. So that expandable plate is RFID security. That's why they have that plate, and for smashing down your cash as well. Obviously, you ballers are gonna have much more cash than this, but I got myself $40 and 4 bills. So let me go ahead and show you this here. So what you would typically do is, obviously you don't want it hanging off like this or this. I mean, I'll leave that up to you, but Most of you ballers would have your 100 spot right on the end. And then you're going to mash it down like this. And then you would have it like that if you want to. Or you could remove the plate. So here's the cash here. Now, it's not the easiest to get it out. But, you know, I mean, it's easy but not super easy. So what I would do is I'd have it sticking out just a little bit right there. Or you ballers could flash your 100. And then you could slide it out like that there. Push it back in. But most of you, if you don't want that RFID expansion plate on there, then take it off and then prop that up, slip your dollars in like that there. That looks a little bit more baller and probably easier unless you want it completely hidden like we just saw. Okay, now let's shove in our cards. Also, you can put that underneath as well, the tracker card. Fits flush underneath there if you wanted that as well. I personally put the tracker card in my Louis Vuitton. Again, if you watch my first video, you're like, Chris, that's such a huge wallet. I know, I do love it though. I got all my movie cards, my Costco cards, my coupons. I'm a coupon kind of guy. All right, we're putting 6 cards in here. Sorry, I can't show them all because of all the numbers and everything like that. So I got 6 cards. They pop up like that. I got my Ralph's card right here. Boom. 6 cards. Look at how they come out like that. That's pretty cool. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think the 6, my license is right behind it. So let me see here. Let me hit it one more time. So the license gets a little bit tucked in the back there. So you got 5 that show with your license in the back. Let me see if I can slip in a 7. These are kind of thick cards. Unfortunately, I can't fit any more than 6 cards in this, but I think it will take another one. But let me show you this one. I don't want to show my information, but I got my thick steel metal crypto.com card. So that takes up like probably 2 of regular cards. It's super thick. But again, I'm super impressed with the design of this. But I mean, how cool is that? You're like, waiter comes over, they're like, sir, it's going to be $100 for that premium sushi. You're like, boom, check that out right there. And they're like, sir, we don't take card. Huh, you're in luck, my friend, boom. And then after you're done, boom, shove it on back in there right there. Well, guys, I'm super impressed with the Ekster wallets. I think it's a cool feature, some cool design features to it. Again, your links are going to be right below, but just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if any of their products intrigue you, again, they have many other accessories, keychains, GPS trackers, all their wallets. They have leather ones, aluminums, matte black like we've already talked about, the newest aluminum brushed black. Those links, again, are going to be below. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are wondering, there was nothing else in the box there. Subscribe also on your way out if you like videos like this, as well as tech reviews and DIY home improvement projects. We'll see you on the next one. My name's Chris. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.